powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Chevrolet features power door locks, a sunroof, and tilt wheel. Safety features include side airbags, traction control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include parking sensors, leather seats, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.